Wow, hey, this is Hans the Ramen Raider coming at you with another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time. It's been over a week since I showed you what to do with your instant noodles. Yeah, as you can probably see, we have the Chris mess going on. We've got a neat one today. Oh boy. This is Soupli Filet and Brisket Pho Bowl with real meat and collagen. This is like super high-end, ultra fancy from the USA, I might add, which is really impressive. So what you do, I'll show you what to do with these. Look, it comes with utensils. We'll look at that in a minute. Okay, so you take this big thing with rice noodles and herbs. I don't know if the herbs are just loose in here. I guess we'll find out. Right? I guess we will. So you open this puppet up and oh, it's got another bag inside. Okay. I guess you can have a bag and a bag and a bag. And, okay. That's interesting. So we have, in the rice noodle bag, we have a rice noodle bag with a bag of herbs. So we put this in there. This in. Hey, Miles.
Hi, Papa.
You saying hello to the nice people?
Hello to the nice people.
Are you ready for your banana?
Yes.
I have here your morning
Hi, Papa.
banana. Hi, Miles.
Hi.
Hi, Mimi.
Hi.
All right, here is your AM banana time. Enjoy.
Enjoy your meal.
Go, go, go.
Have fun.
Thank you. You too. Have fun with your banana. And where did I... There it is. It's been a morning. So, what happened this morning? Oh, yeah. So, they have like a... What do they call it? Instant breakfast thing, first thing in the morning. To get them started on the right foot, that whole thing. Anyways, well, this one's a powder sachet. There, of course, due to COVID, they don't have the chocolate one anymore. Whoa, that's got a lot of, that smells like pho. They don't have the chocolate one anymore, and so I had to introduce my daughter to the strawberry one. And that was, let's just call it a ridiculously huge freaking tantrum. Anyways, that wasn't, I didn't have it. I was like, hey, you know. Like, I'm scared. So this is the retort pouch with the real meat. It smells good. Okay. Oh, there's more in there. I want to get every last meaty beady bit out of there. That's good. And then we put in 2 cups of water and microwave it for 4 minutes. So here's our dos cupos. So over to the microwave I go. I'm gonna put this huge tray in the microwave. I'm gonna put it to 4 minutes. Whoa. Power level. Bing, bing, bing. There we go. But yeah, we got a tree. And we got lights. Unfortunately, the lights don't work with the light up Christmas ornaments we have. I was like, man, we should get new lights. Yeah. Yeah, that was a dumb idea. But, you know. And Christmas break's coming up, and I'm like, gonna hang out with the kids for Christmas break, of course. They're gonna be wanting something to do. And I've got an NES Mini. And I thought, hey, I hate this thing. I can't play it. I got a jacked up left hand. I need my old school controller. And I went on Amazon. I went around and looked. There were two versions, but this is the one I settled on, and I haven't quite gotten used to it yet. I've only played with it for like 2 minutes, because nowadays, I used to be able to sit there, like one time, I went up and stayed with my sisters, and spent the weekend with my sister when I was a punk. I think I was like 12 or 13, and probably 14 or 15. Anyway. She had a Nintendo. We went to the store. We rented Mega Man 2. And I played that all weekend, and I think I beat it. I'm pretty sure. I played that for like hours and hours and hours and hours. I can't do that anymore. Check this out. 13 bucks. That's including tax and everything on Amazon. So I'm pretty jazzed. Having a jacked up left hand, I can go. I'm cool with that. I'll get used to it. But yeah, it was pretty neat. I mean, it's like an NES Advantage, but now they call this one the Edge. So, but it's like the same size. Honestly, it feels like the same weight. I won't say has really good build quality, because I'm really sick of people saying that. But it's built well. It seems solid. The only thing is when you move the stick, it's very clicky, and that's kind of not the same. And I found so far, if you push down, you got to push down exactly in the right spot. So it comes with a soup spoon. Nice. It comes with make them yourself chopsticks. Oh, I thought it came with a fork too. I lied. It does not come with a fork. It comes with a napkin. It doesn't come with a fork? Huh. Let's try out these put them together chopsticks. These are pretty decent put them together chopsticks, I gotta say. Wow. Yeah, they click together. Boop, 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 boop. I'm sure somebody's like, why is he making noises when he's using chopsticks? They're just utensils. What a weird, freaky dude. Okay. Did not explode. There is no explosion here. That's a good thing. Oh, just stop. Yeah, I know it's a fork. Wow, the rice noodle came out very well. Let's give this a good stir. I'm very curious, because pho is all about that broth. It's all about the broth, baby. And if the broth doesn't hold up, you're going to have a lot of people that are going to get really cranky. It's bubbly. Go away, Bubbles. That's really odd. I'm guessing it boiled. Which is great. I mean, that'll pull out the flavor of the beef into the broth too. Come on. Rice noodle is not done by a long shot. And honestly, the broth really didn't get all that hot. So I'm gonna give me a bad on that because God, it's quite good though. And here's the beef. Let's give this beef a try. I didn't really check the temp of the water that I threw in. And if you do it for 4 minutes, you do it with room temp water, and I'm gonna bet it was a little cold. Here's the piece of beef. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Well, I would say if you like pho, you're gonna like that. I can say right now that's probably is a very ambiguous word. I'm gonna just go with saying that's the best instant pho I've ever had. That's an easy, no-brainer. That's what the instant pho world needed, because it's all about the broth, all about the meat. And I'm guessing also if it cooked at a slightly higher temperature and had the temperature of water that it called for, I have a feeling that this would be like even perfecter. Yeah, I'm thrilled with this. Look at that. That is impressivo. Really want that beef showing off. There's some beef, there's some beef, there's some beef. Come on, you beef. And the beef is good. Retort pouch for the win. Hey, now. So, what am I gonna throw in here? I got some Thai basil. I've got some mung bean sprouts. The place around here always throws in jalapenos, so that's what I'm gonna do. We gotta add our hoisin and sriracha. Hoisin's a tricky one. It's like I don't want to call it. It just sounds too much like poison, but it's not. It's yummy good. Don't get me wrong. That's leekum tea stuff. And then we've got sriracha. Right there. That's impressive. I'm thrilled with this. Good job, guys. Wow. These guys know what they're doing. Impressed. Rotato, show it off. Yeah, this is super good. For the the next one, and this one's from the USA. Another one from the USA. It's this. This is kind of a new thing. This is Marjan Instant Lunch Select. This is the hot and spicy chicken. Give that a try next time. This has been Hans the Ramen Raider, wishing you enjoyment of your noodles each and every day. Oh, dude. A piece of lime. All right. Bye-bye.